Hello students, I am Ashwini Shankar, your faculty in Perfection IAS. I hope all of you are doing well and doing your studies seriously and consistently. Today, in the series of our important topics for your forthcoming examinations, I am going to discuss a very important topic which can come in your coming examinations. It is Uttari Meruvar. Uttari Meruvar. What is this Uttari Meruvar? Most important topic. And from where I am taking this topic, what is the source of this topic, right? ये topic मैं क्यों यहाँ पे discuss कर रहा हूँ? You see, on 13th of April 2023, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, while speaking on Tamil New Year celebrations, on the eve of Tamil New Year celebration, mentioned this term. He mentioned this term, Uttari Meruvar. Therefore, this term becomes important from the current examination, from the current affairs point of view. I want to decode this term for you. Uttari Meruvar. Actually, he mentioned this term to emphasize this point that India is a mother of democracy. India is a mother of democracy. Right? Uttari Meruvar is a town in Kanchipuram district. In Kanchipuram district. Where is Kanchipuram? Kanchipuram is present in Tamil Nadu. It is present in Tamil Nadu. Right? And there is an inscription, and Uttari Meruvar, there is an inscription which clearly mentioned the idea of representative democracy. The idea of representative democracy. Right? Therefore, this notion that democracy is a word that India learned from the Western countries is a wrong perception in our minds. In India, democracy is present way back. In Uttari Meruvar inscription, it is mentioned that it is established in 750 AD. Right? Therefore, democracy is not a new phenomena for us. Therefore, he wants to emphasize this to all the Western powers that please don't teach us lessons of democracy. Democracy is inherent in our blood, in our culture, not from 100 or 200 years or 500 years, but it is present since long time. And Uttari Meruvar is the name. It is a town which is present in Kanchipuram district, where the inscription is mentioned, which clearly emphasizes how representative democracy worked at that point of time. And in Uttari Meruvar, there is a temple. It is a temple which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This is a temple. This inscription is mentioned in one of the pillars in the Uttari Meruvar temple. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, right? And this temple was built by Nandi Varman I, right? So this is the information about a very unique word which is mentioned by our Prime Minister on 13th of April 2023 while speaking on the Tamil New Year celebration, that is on 13th April 2023. Uttari Meruvar, it is a temple town in Kanchipuram district which is present in Tamil Nadu. It is built by Nandi Varman I, and this town was established in 750 AD, and this temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and this inscription clearly gives us the idea of representative democracy in ancient India. Therefore, he said that that India is a mother of democracy. Right? I hope you have enjoyed this piece of information, and I keep updating more videos on the most current important topics which are important for your forthcoming examination. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you very much.